How to fix Outlook not showing all emails in folders. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you are trying to access the Outlook but cannot get all the emails on your inbox, it could be because of various reasons. So here are some of the troubleshoot you can apply. To get started with, you have to log in into your Outlook and check filter settings. Ensure that no filters applied that might be hiding certain emails. For that, you can go to the View tab and click on View Settings. Or you could just click on the gear icon on the top right. Tapping on it will open another interface from where you can check for different kinds of attachments, rules, the junk email, customize action, sync email, handling, as well as forwarding. Make sure to check each of it in which any hidden items or emails must be turned off. Likewise, the next step would be search for missing emails. Sometimes emails can get misplaced or accidentally moved to another folder. So you can use the search function in Outlook to look for the specific email that might be missing. Likewise, in the folder, make sure to check for the notes, archived mails, deleted items, sent items, and drafts as well. Check for the server setting as well if you are using Exchange Server or any other email service. Outlook also has size limit for individual folders, so if a folder reaches its size limit, Outlook might not display all the mails. So try moving some mails to other folders to reduce the size as well. So these are some of the troubleshoot that you can apply. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.